I'm trying out this organic, paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan Korean skincare product called Beauty Essence. Hi everybody! Now, if you must know, skincare is one of my top priorities. I feel like having good skin is setting your canvas right, making sure you are looking good no matter if you're wearing makeup or if you're not. And for me personally, good skin makes me feel the most confident. And I am trying out this Beauty Essence by Pink Lapis, and Pink Lapis is actually a cruelty-free, paraben-free vegan skincare brand. They're a very small company right now, and they have this Beauty Essence, which is, as you can see, still in the box, but I'll take it out. But Beauty Essence is a Korean skincare product. So essentially what an essence is it kind of replaces a toner in your skincare routine. So you wash your face, you put on toner, and then you put on your cream or serum. And because an essence is made up of highly concentrated fermented ingredients, it is pretty much there to prep your skin to allow you to absorb more of the hydration and nutrients from your serum or your skincare, allowing your skin to have that hydrated look and really just healthy and moisturized. And the difference between a toner and a beauty essence is that the beauty essence in itself is supposed to be hydrating, and it's essentially supposed to be in between a toner and a serum. So just extra hydration for your skin. This essence, this one here, is supposed to be for all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin. So we'll test that out because I'm actually learning more and more now that my skin is a bit more sensitive than I realized. So let's see if it does work for my skin or cause any redness or anything for me. So what's in this is hydrochloric acid, and according to their website, they only use the vegan formula for that. And then they also have resveratrol, which is an antioxidant found in grapes, and that is meant to prevent environmental aggressors. And it also uses tiger grass, which is used to speed up cell regeneration and reduce inflammation. And it has rose water, and I personally love using products with rose in it just because it's anti-inflammatory. It does seem to tackle, fine lines and wrinkles, and it's very hydrating. I've never had a rose based product that hasn't been hydrating. So with that being said, that's really all the ingredients that's in here. I am going to open this just so we could look at the bottle. And it's big. Wow, this is a lot bigger than I actually expected. But this is their normal size. I believe it's only one size that they have on here. And it shows on the back that it is not tested on animals, that you can recycle it. And it is made in the USA. You barely see things made in the USA. One bottle is roughly 4 fluid ounces, which is not bad. And it's also sealed up as well. So let's try to open that. I thought it was a pull. It's a twist. It's a twist off. And it has just like a little hole that you could kind of squeeze everything through, and it's a very thick cap. But before I even use this, I'm gonna just wash my face real quick to make sure that I have no dirt or anything, and especially because this beauty essence is supposed to be used after you wash your face. So let's start with that. Okay, my face is washed. It feels so dry. Now I'm gonna take this beauty essence and see what it does. So it's not too liquidy like water. It kind of feels like a little watery gel. It's definitely clear. It doesn't really have a scent or fragrance to it. I think I might have put too much. Okay. So it's on my skin. It kind of, like when I just tap it, has a little sticky-ish feel to it. As it's drying, it doesn't feel too wet, but it does have like a little sticky feeling to it. Not like, I don't know how to how to explain it. It just, yeah, it feels like when I press on my skin, it's gripping it, type of sticky. So that feels a little bit weird to me. How's my skin looking though? Does it look nice? I feel like it looks kind of nice. It feels dry, just really aside from that sticky feeling, it feels dry. But I'm gonna see how it interacts with a serum, which I'm not gonna show what I'm using just because the focus really is on this beauty essence. Take a few drops. And I'm just gonna use a serum because I don't want anything too heavy on my face. Okay, that feels better. Overall, when it comes to this product, I definitely have to say, you know, Korean skincare is in a league of its own. They really go out of their way to think of products and skincare routines that we usually don't think of. For instance, with just the essence alone, having a product in between your moisturizer and your cleanser that really focuses on hydration for the deeper layers under your skin. With that being said, this beauty essence, I definitely felt the hydration when it was in my hands, when I was initially putting it on my face. The only complaint I really have is that it had a sticky texture to it after I put everything on, and that's something I personally don't like. I don't like feeling like I have residue on my skin from a product. That's just gonna make me a bit more self-conscious. But after mixing it in with a serum, that residue kind of is gone. And overall, I do think my skin, when I put the beauty essence on, with just the beauty essence alone, it looked hydrated, it looked dewy in comparison to putting on a toner, which kind of leaves my skin looking matte. So in terms of hydration, it's doing its thing. In terms of like the after effect and that sticky feeling, I'm not a fan of it. So if you do use this product, get that serum, get that cream ready for right after it or right as soon as it dries, because it'll feel so much better once you have that on. And if you are looking for an essence that is completely vegan, completely organic, this is definitely one to try. I'm always losing my train of thought. Is my face supposed to feel like this?